Hi, welcome to my channel and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today I'll bring a topic about pet insurance costs are influenced by multiple factors. An instrumental part of sound financial planning in research. No one likes to be surprised by fees and extra charges when it comes time to pay the bills. But if you know what you do expect in advance, you can make adjustments to potentially reduce costs. That's why it is so important to understand the factors that affect rates. Whether you are shopping or mortgage, life insurance or pet insurance, it helps to be prepared. If you are interested in pet insurance, it pays to speak to an insurance expert. They can answer any questions you may have and also provide a free quote. There are 5 factors that are affect pet insurance rate. Here are 5 factors that affect pet insurance rates. The first is age. The second is animal type. The third is breed. The fourth is insurance type. The fifth is location. The first explanation is about age. This may seem obvious, but don't forget its influence when applying for pet insurance. Just like life insurance for humans, the older your pet is, the more you will likely have to pay. That's because older pets are more prone to health issues than the younger ones, and their subsequent care will be more expensive. This is why it makes sense to get pet insurance now before your pet ages and bills rise. Speak with a pet insurance professional who can help you get it started. The second is animal type. This may be a case of too little, too late for current owners, but for those who do not yet have a pet or want to add a new one to the family, it is helpful to know that dogs are typically more expensive to insure than cats. Dogs and cats both have their own medical issue to deal, but cats usually have fewer, thus making them less expensive to insure and also less expensive for you to pay for. And then the third is breed. There are certain breeds that are predisposed to medical alignment. A German Shepherd is more likely to need a medical procedure for hip dysplasia than most other breeds. For example, English Bulldogs, also with franchises and similar dog types, are prone to suffer from brachycephalic airway obstruction syndrome or BAOS. Be aware of this when comparing pet insurance rates. If you have one of these breeds, you may wind up paying more. And then the next or the fourth is insurance type. Just as life insurance types vary, so do pet insurance options. If you want to comprehensive insurance that covers many different visits and also treatment, you likely pay more than if you purchased a baseline. And also accident-only policy, you get what you pay for, and if you want more coverage, you will have a bigger bill to account for it. And then the last is speak to a pet insurance expert who can help with a cost-benefit analysis. And then the last is location. You may think that the price of pet insurance will be the same across the world or across the country. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. Those in larger metropolitan areas may pay a bit more than those in rural locations. If the overall vet care cost is higher in a certain city or state, then it is safe to assume the pet insurance price there will also be elevated. the bottom line is pet insurance rates are influenced by a series of the factors, but that doesn't mean it is not worth getting or that there still are not reliable ways to save money and also get cheap pet insurance. So thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.